Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best zipper repair kit is probably one of the most underrated tools to have in your home. Imagine your favorite jacket, backpack, or luggage, suddenly rendered useless by a broken zipper. It's a common problem, but the solution is surprisingly simple. With a reliable repair kit, you can quickly fix broken zippers and extend the life of your belongings, saving you time and money. Number 5. EuTengHao 169 PCS Zipper Repair Kit. This kit is your ultimate solution. It includes a variety of sliders and stoppers to fix almost any zipper. With this, you can easily repair your favorite items. The kit contains various sizes of sliders, including number 3, number 5, and number 8, suitable for different types of zippers. It also includes double sliders and locking sliders. This ensures you have the right parts for the job. Made from high-strength metal with an electroplating process, these sliders are durable and not easy to fade. The quality ensures that the repairs will last, extending the life of your belongings. This kit is perfect for repairing bags, clothing, coats, jackets, purses, jeans, backpacks, and luggage. It's a versatile tool for both everyday repairs and DIY projects. It can be used on many different items. The included zipper install pliers tool makes the repair process simple. Just remove the old slider, replace it with a new one, and secure the stops. The process is simple and straightforward. With this kit, you can save money and time by repairing your items yourself. It's a practical and cost-effective solution for extending the life of your favorite belongings. Get yours today. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of slider sizes, making it suitable for various repair needs. It's built with high-strength metal, ensuring longevity. If you have multiple items needing repair, or if you often work on DIY projects, this kit is perfect for you. It provides the versatility and tools to tackle almost any zipper issue. What people say. It has a good assortment, arrived as advertised, and allowed me to fix nylon zippers missing pulls on a backpack and upholstered chair. This particular kit has a wide variety of zipper slides, which should cover the vast majority of cases. The materials are good quality and there's a lot of options for what zipper you want to use. It was really simple and easy to put on and the clasps work well. Number 4. Meikeer 252-piece Zipper Repair Kit. This versatile kit is designed to repair zippers on a wide range of items. It includes everything you need to fix or replace zippers on bags, tents, luggage, and outdoor gear. It's a comprehensive solution for all your zipper repair needs. The kit includes various sizes of zipper sliders, including number 3, number 5, and number 8. The sliders without locks are compatible with nylon coils, while the locked ones work with nylon coils, plastic teeth, and metal teeth. This ensures that it can handle different types of zippers. All the zipper sliders are made of metal, ensuring they are strong and long-lasting. The smooth surface helps in fixing broken zippers effectively. This extends the life of your belongings. The kit comes with all the necessary tools and detailed instructions. This makes the installation process easy, whether you're replacing a zipper slider or creating a new zipper. It's designed for ease of use. The kit includes a variety of zipper sizes, colors, and styles. It comes in a portable plastic case for easy storage and carrying. The organized case keeps all components identifiable and accessible. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use, including detailed instructions and a convenient storage case. The metal sliders are strong and durable. If you are a beginner or someone who values organization and simplicity, this kit will make your repairs straightforward and hassle-free. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of zipper sizes and types. The tools are easy to use and the instructions are clear. It has everything needed to fix a broken zipper. Number 3. YaHoGa 143 PCS Zipper Repair Kit. This YaHoGa repair kit is the perfect solution. It includes everything you need to fix zippers on bags, jackets, and more. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to save money and extend the life of their belongings. The kit includes 52 sliders for nylon coil zippers, 5 sliders for metal zippers, and 5 sliders for molded plastic zippers. It also comes with pulls, stops, an install plier, and instructions. This comprehensive set has you covered. The included install plier is about 4.5 inches long, making it easy to install zipper stops and sliders. This tool simplifies the repair process, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. It's designed to make the job easier. This kit is suitable for a variety of items, including bags, jackets, tents, backpacks, and sleeping bags. It's a great gift for travelers, mothers, and anyone who values practicality. It's a versatile tool for everyday repairs. First, remove the top zipper stop using the pliers. Then, remove the old slider and put the new one on. Finally, use the pliers to press the zipper stop back into place. It's that simple to get it done. What we like. This kit is ideal for beginners, offering a complete set of tools and clear instructions. It's also a great gift for those who travel frequently. If you're new to zipper repair or need a comprehensive kit for various items, this one has everything you need to get started. What people say. The number 5 plastic slider in this kit worked perfect. This kit repaired my number 3 zipper head perfectly in less than 5 minutes. The kit contains several styles of zipper heads along with various styles of zipper stops for number 3, number 5, and number 8 size zippers along with a tool. Number 2. Zipper Repair Kit, 99 PCS. Is your zipper broken? Don't worry. This kit allows you to fix it yourself. It's easy to install and saves you time and money. This kit works on various zippers, including those on jeans, jackets, and luggage. You can easily repair your clothes at home. No need to go to a tailor. The replacement zippers are made of high-quality metal. They are durable and long-lasting. Just buckle it, and the zipper is fixed. The kit includes various zipper sizes and accessories. You'll have everything you need for most zipper repairs. Choose the right parts for your needs. With the included plier, fixing zippers is quick and easy. It snaps on in seconds and works like new. This kit is designed for easy installation and long service life. This kit is compatible with most common zipper sizes. It's perfect for jackets, coats, skirts, and slacks. It solves most of your zipper replacement needs. What we like. This kit is designed for quick fixes, allowing you to repair zippers in seconds. The premium metal material ensures durability. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution to fix your clothes without sewing, this kit is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fixed a zipper on a $550 ski coat no locally owned tailors would touch. It works good assortment. This kit is the most complete I've ever found. I was able to repair a number 3 zipper, which is hard to find the parts for. I now have extra parts for anybody who breaks a zipper that I need to fix for them. Number 1. JOSDIOX 255 PCS Zipper Repair Kit. This kit includes 255 pieces, offering a comprehensive solution for various zipper repairs. It has everything you need to fix zippers on jackets, luggage, and more. The kit includes sliders for nylon coil, metal, and plastic zippers in different sizes. This ensures that it can handle a wide range of repair needs. It comes with an install plier, making it easy to remove and press zipper stops. This tool helps you replace sliders efficiently. The zipper replacement parts are made of metal or plastic. The kit is packaged in a transparent box for easy organization and portability. This kit is suitable for repairing zippers on clothing, jackets, luggage, backpacks, and tents. It's a versatile solution for various zipper issues. You can easily fix zippers yourself by removing the old slider and installing a new one. It also includes zipper extension pulls for added convenience. What we like. This kit offers a large number of components, and the transparent box helps you easily find the size you need. It's suitable for various items like jackets and luggage. If you need a comprehensive and well-organized kit for multiple repair projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit has a variety of sizes and styles of zippers. The tools are easy to use and the instructions are clear. The zippers are of good quality and work well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.